Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how to set up Google Analytics 4 exploration report, and our today target is free form. So in the previous video, I had shown you how to set up the custom report. So if you do not watching this video, I recommend you firstly watch this video, then come back to this tutorial. So let's get started. And you can see that I'm landing on the Google Analytics 4. In the right side, you have to find out the all reports section. So I am go to the explore, and in the explore sections, you have to find out lots of explorations report, freeform, funnel exploration, path exploration, segment overlap, lots of template you have to find out, but our today target is free form. So I am clicking the blank, and you can see that here you have to find out the name of your exploration report, and then you can edit the time duration and segment dimension and matrix. I hope you know that what is the dimension and matrix. If you do not yet, then you go to my YouTube channel. I will discuss about it. I hope you can understand. So in the technique, if you explore it, here you can find out the lots of exploration report, but in the future I will discuss all of exploration report. So our first target is free form. So I'm selecting the free form. So now question is why you are creating the exploration report? Because exploration you have to, if you have to create the exploration report, you have to find out the more deeper insight and also the user behavior and find out the marketing effectiveness. So that's why we are trying to set up the exploration report. And also I told you again, you can create the custom report for your Google in your Google Analytics 4. So no more delay. Firstly, you have to pick the dimension. So I am clicking the plus sign. So which type of dimension you have to pick? So today we are focused on the items and purchase related, because the business owner are mostly use this report. So firstly, I am pick the item name. So you can see the item name as a dimension, and in the top of the bar, you can see then 385 selected. That means you have an option to select the 385 dimension for exploration report. So in the e-commerce section, I am selecting the item name and confirm. And you can see that our item name are adding with the dimension section. So now metrics. So again, I am clicking the plus sign metrics, and you can see that 169 are selected. That means you have an option to select it the 169 for metrics category. So I am searching on the search bars which metrics I have to implement with the free report. So firstly, I am just the item quantity. So firstly, I am pick the item quantity. Here you can see the item quantity. So select on it and confirm. So if I am back to the dimension section and just double click on the item name are adjust with the rows, and also the matrix. If you click on the if you click the double click on it, then item quantity are automatically selected in the value section. You can see that value, and then rows item name. So here we have to find out the item name, which product are selling most. That means you can see the all product list, and in the right side you can see that item quantity. So and you have option to ascending and descending option if you are descending it, and also the item quantity. And here only show the 10 product. So here only you can see that 10 product are listed. Why? Because you can see that show rows are selected the 10. So you have to increase it. If I increase to 50, the 50 product are show the report. So you can see that 50 product and item name, and you can see the item quantity. So I'm adding the more parameter for dimension and matrix as well. So we have to find out the more details report. So in the dimensions, I am also click the plus sign to adding the more parameter, that is the event name. So I'm selected on it and confirming. So Now I am put the item name on the rows section. You can see that all of event name you have to find out here according to your need, and adding the more metrics. Just you have to adding one by one according to new. You have to testing it and you have to find out the result, and you have to calculate your, you have to take your business decisions from the report. So now I am adding the bounce rate. So select it, and also engagement rate. You can select on it, confirm, and also you have to put the metrics on your value section. Here you have to put the value section, engagement rate, and also the bounce rate, and you have to find out the another row. You can see that item quantity, engagement rate, and bounce rate. You have to find out the all kind of metrics. After implement your dimension and metrics, you have to option to filter. You have as a dimension, you are adding the item name, event name, and also the engagement rate, bounce rate. So if I am selecting the dimension as an event name, and also select match type would be the exactly matches, and also you have to put the any kind of event. Suppose I am putting the purchase and apply. Here also we have a find out only the purchase event. You can see that also we have to find out the purchase. We have to able to filter the purchase event for the event name dimension. So you can also adding the more filter. If I select on the filter section, see as a matrix, you have an option to filter, and also the dimension you have a filter. So I am dig down more. So I am just remove the engagement and adding the more metrics, and also the gross item revenue. You have to select on it from the matrix. So if you double click on it to adjust the report, and you can see the gross revenue in the right side. You can see that total revenue, and according to the item name, you have to find out the gross revenue for the each item in the right side. Gross revenue, and also you have to add in the more metrics. So in the user section, average daily purchases each and every event, individual item, and you can see that average daily purchase. So you have to optimize the report, which item are purchased more in the daily basis. So you have to select on it and confirm it, and double click on the average daily purchases. In the report, you have to find out the average daily purchases. This item are selling the 4 pieces, and also the 4, 3, 2, 1. So you have to optimize lots of report. You can create it according to your need. So you have to find out the each and every report according to your business goal. So if I am adding the more dimension, click plus sign, and I am selecting the session source and medium and confirm it. I want to see that from the which platform are selling more, because you know that as a business owner, we are running the ad, the all social media. So I have to examine that which platform are selling more. So I'm double click on it, and you can see that Google CPC, and this platform are selling more. So we have an option to filter the session source and medium. So you can see that drop or select dimension. So I am just adding the filter on it. So source and medium, and exactly matches, and we have to select the suppose Google CPC and apply on it, and we are only find out the report that our product selling by the Google ads. So here you can see that which product are selling more from the Google ads, and what is the gross item revenue, and what is the average daily purchase on it. So we have the option to more optimize. So I am just delete on it and adding the more platform. Suppose we have to find out if we pay and apply. So for the adding the meta, then we have to find out the which product are selling by the Facebook ads, and also the revenue and the average daily purchase. So I hope you understand that how do you create the free form. So after create the reporting, you have to giving the exploration name. That is, I am adding the product details. I'm just adding on it, and so I'm back to home and also again explore. And here you can see that product details as a exploration report. We have to create it, and if you open it, you can find out each and every report which we are creating before. So I hope you understand how can you create the free form report for your business and how can you using your dimension and metrics. And also you have to understand that how can you filter you each and every dimensions and metrics according to your need. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Bye bye.